everyone, again welcome back to our channel, and today also we have brought you a tutorial video regarding how you can see sensitive contents on your Twitter app. So yeah, before we start with our video, please do like our video, subscribe our channel, and make sure you watch this video till the end so you can know all the steps and you can do it as you would like to. So yeah, let's go. Just go to your Twitter app. Once your app is open, tap on this profile icon, tap on settings and privacy, tap on that option, and then you will go to option called privacy and safety. Tap on that option, and then you will land option on your row called content you see. Tap on that option, and then you have this option called display media that may contain sensitive contents. And once you will enable this option, then you will go back to your profile, and now you can see all those contents will be visible in your account now once you enable that option. So yeah, this is how you enable sensitive contents for your Twitter app account, and I hope this video has helped you so far. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.